Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Git and VS Code because they do the actual syncing. You already have an account. Install Git and open a terminal in VS Code. Next, run git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you at example.com to identify commits. Once done, verify Git version and that VS Code recognizes the terminal. These steps ensure commits map to your GitHub identity and prevent later authentication confusion. Now you generate an SSH key so VS Code can push without passwords. In the terminal, run SSH keygen t ed 25519, accept defaults, and optionally set a passphrase. This creates ID ed 25519 and ID ed 25519. Pub. Once created, copy the public key and add it to GitHub settings SSH and GPG keys. After adding, test with SSH git at GitHub.com. If successful, you'll see a confirm. Finally, clone the repo into VS Code using the SSH clone URL, choose a local folder and open it. You'll develop normally. Create files, git add, git commit m message, then git push origin main. VS Code will use your loaded SSH key so no password prompts appear. If something goes wrong, check the SSH agent is running and your key is loaded. Confirm the key is in your GitHub account and verify you have repo permissions. That single SSH path keeps authentication secure and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.